Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So late last week, as I posted, Microsoft rolled out the latest dev and beta channel insider build to the insiders with update KB5070307. I'll leave the video linked if you'd like more information. And as I briefly mentioned in that video, the Microsoft Store had received an uninstall option to uninstall apps from the Microsoft Store from your library, which up until recently was not the case. Now, just to let you know that it seems that that change is already starting to make its way into the stable channel of the Microsoft Store, because today in my region, when I was fiddling around in the library, I did notice that if we click on the three-dotted menu next to an app, we can see the uninstall option in the library is now available. Obviously, this is for apps that can be uninstalled, which I think is a nice, small, yet significant little change, as I would say on the channel. And before this change, clicking the three-dotted menu did not show the option to uninstall an app. Now, obviously, you can uninstall an app by heading to your settings, as you know, apps, installed apps, and finding the relevant app and clicking on the three-dotted menu. You can do that. But I think this is a nice secondary option if you are maybe working in the Microsoft Store and you see an app that maybe you've forgotten about, or you want to uninstall directly from the store. I think that's a nice move. So that's available now in the stable version of the app. Very quick to come from dev beta. I cannot confirm now how wide the rollout is. It might be A/B tested. It might be region specific. Let me know if you've seen it. If you get a chance to pop me a comment down below. And if we head into the settings, this is the same version and build that rolled out to the insiders now, which has made its way to the stable, which is 22.510.1401 and higher. So that's what you need to be on to have the uninstall option in your library. And it seems that this is a server-side update, because if I head to my downloads, I haven't received a Microsoft Store update over the last couple of days. So it does seem to be server-side. And by the way, in your downloads, you don't get the option to uninstall, as you can see. But now, as mentioned, in the library, that is now available. Uninstall an app directly from your library, rolling out now to the stable version and not just insiders. So go check it out if you would be interested. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.